Understanding time flies, unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unpack a very common English phrase that you've probably heard before: time flies. This phrase is a favorite in English-speaking countries and is used to express a universal feeling. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Time flies is an idiom that means time passes very quickly. The word flies is a verb that means to move or to travel fast. When we say time flies, we're comparing time to a fast-moving bird or insect, like it has wings and it's soaring through the air at high speed. It's especially used when you are enjoying yourself and not paying attention to the passing of time. The phrase, time flies, originates from the Latin phrase, tempus fugit, which directly translates to, time flees. It was popularized in English literature and has been used in various writings since the early 1800s. This expression reflects a feeling that has been shared by people throughout history, that our moments and experiences seem to slip away from us as we go about our lives. Now, let's look at how to use time flies in different contexts. When reminiscing, I can't believe it's been 10 years since we graduated from college. Time really flies. During a reunion, we've been talking for hours, and we didn't notice how late it got. Time flies when you're having fun. For milestones, my daughter just turned 18. Time flies. Remember, you can use this phrase in both happy and bittersweet contexts, as it's suitable for any occasion where time seems to have passed unexpectedly fast. You might also hear variations of this phrase, such as, time flies when you're having fun. It's often used to comment on the speed of time when one is engaged in enjoyable activities. How time flies. This can be a rhetorical statement, reflecting on the passage of time with a bit of surprise or nostalgia. And that's a wrap on the phrase, time flies. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of this popular English idiom and how you can use it in your everyday conversation. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the expressions that give it color and life. Keep practicing. And don't forget to enjoy every moment, because, as we've learned, time really does fly. See you in our next video.